Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to share video as document in WhatsApp on iPhone. So if you have a video in your gallery and now you want to send the video to someone in WhatsApp, you can easily share the video as document without losing video quality, and here's how to do it. Go ahead and launch your WhatsApp app and go to the chat or conversation in which chat you want to share the video. Now just tap on this plus icon and tap on document. Tap on choose photo or video. Now all you have to need from your gallery, select the video that you want to share, tap on next, and now just tap on send, and that's it. The video will be shared as a document, as you can see. And that's how if you send any photos and videos to someone in WhatsApp, your photos and videos quality won't be reduced. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.